Hi guys, in this tutorial we will see how to create a CDS view with join. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the header table and the item table of sales order, and I'm going to just combine these two things together, and I'm going to display some entries. So creating the view is going to be same as before. So I'll just go to the system, and I wanted to create an ABAP DDL. So I'm just going to right click. You can just either right click on the dictionary, or from the ABAP DDL sources I'm going to say new DDL source, and what is the name that I wanted to create. So I'm just going to give the name as zcsk underscore cds underscore join. So I'm just giving a description, and I click on next, and this is going to ask me for a transport container. And here you can just use this one, and here you can see that what are the different types of join that are available. And you can have this either left outer join, or you can have this inner join. So inner join is supported from both right and left mode, whereas outer join is supported only from the left perspective. So I'm just going to define this a simple view, and from the base template I'm going to represent my view. So here I'm just going to give it as zcsk underscore join 1. So this is the name of the view that I wanted to create it in the ABAP server, and here I'm going to represent the data source. So I wanted to display the content from this sales order header as well as this sales order item table. So I'm going to give this select clause from selects from snwd underscore so, which is the header table. I'm giving this alias name as header, and I wanted to perform an inner join with another table. So if you wanted to perform inner join, you can use this keyword inner join, and if you wanted to perform this left outer join, you can use left outer join, and you can see this right outer join, and so on. So now I'm going to perform this join condition. Suppose if you wanted to maintain comments over here, you can just use this double slash as in JavaScript in order to comment, or you can also use this double hyphen as a comment. So I'm just going to specify inner join between header and item table. So I have created an inner join, and here I'm going to specify from which table I'm going to perform inner join with which table. So one of the data source that I have selected is that I have selected this sales order as a header, and I wanted to perform inner join for this sales order header table with that of snwd underscore so underscore I, which is the item table, which I'm going to choose it as item. On what condition I need to perform the join? I wanted to perform the join on a condition that header dot node, there is something called as a node key, which is the key field for the header table, which I'm going to equate to that of the item dot parent parent key. So this key will be matched with this parent key, and whatever is the entry that are matching, those data will be fetched on over here. So I have specified the data sources, that is that sales order header and the sales order item, which has been projected as header and item respectively, and this is my join condition. Then I will have to specify what are the fields that I wanted to display over here. So I'm just specifying key field header dot sales order ID as ID, and apart from that whatever the thing that I wanted, header dot, let's say these are the header table fields, um, header dot whatever the field that I wanted. So from the header table I'm going to take this currency code, and from the header table I'm going to take this life cycle status, and apart from that I'm going to take few other fields from the item table. So item table fields. So I'm going to say header dot, sorry, it's item dot whatever is the field that I wanted. I wanted this gross amount displayed as gross amount, or we can just let it as it is because it's the same name. Then I'm going to say item dot mm, net amount, then item dot. So I also wanted to display a product now. So in order to display the product it's from another table, which is snwd underscore product table. So I'm going to perform one more join condition, where inner join between item and product table. So I'm going to say inner join snwd underscore product as product. The table name is pd snw underscore pd as product. On what condition I need to perform? I need to perform this on item dot product id, because I only have this product GUID. I don't have the actual product, so that is the reason why I'm performing the join with that of the product dot parent key. Sorry, here it is node key. So that now I have performed, and I will just display the product information from the product table, product details. So I'll just say product dot whatever the field that I wanted to specify over here, the product category, and product dot mm, price, and product dot product id. So I have just performed a join between three different tables, and I have constructed a view by collecting the fields from these three tables. So I'll just check no errors, and I will just activate this. So the moment I activate this, you could see that a view will be created over here with the name zcsk underscore join one, which will have the fields over here for the fields that I have specified: ID, currency code, lifecycle status, and so on. Here in the table and join condition, you can see that three different tables are there, and these are the join conditions which I have specified over there. So if you execute this, you could see the data from these three different views. So you can also check the data preview from here as well, right? So in this example, we have seen how to perform a join, and in the next exercise, I will be showing you how to perform a where clause, how to create a view with an where clause. Thank you.